Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve outline on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve outline on Discord app, you should just go to settings here as you see and you will enter. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can go to Discord. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.